Welcome. Search AI mode. Consumers using AI mode will see sponsored listing. Search Gemini app. No ads in Gemini mobile app just yet. Buy for me. Google is rolling out agentic checkout within Google Search in the US. The feature is currently compatible with merchants like Wayfair, Chewy, Quince, and select Shopify stores. Another AI feature can call businesses on your behalf to find out if a store carries a product, how much it costs, and whether there are any promotions. The feature is built on Google's Duplex technology, introduced back in 2018, as well as its shopping graph and payments infrastructure. After you've provided information about the product you're looking for, the AI will call local stores and make inquiries about the product, then come back to you with a summary of its findings. This feature is rolling out now in the US for specific categories like toys, health and beauty products, and electronics. To use this feature, you can search for products near me, then use the option Let Google Call. The AI will then walk you through questions about the items you're searching for. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.